Hello, and today we're going to be learning the absolute basics of Bash. My name is Jason Rigdon, and thank you for watching today. To save some time, I'm going to talk about what this video is not about. Uh, not a complete course, just enough to get you started. And this is also not about Bash scripting. There won't be confusion here with that. Wait, what this video is about. This video is supposed to teach you the absolute least you need to know about Bash. You'll learn how to examine, make, move, copy, rename, and remove files. This video is intended to get you started as fast as possible. You're not going to know how to do everything, but you're going to know do the absolute least you need to do. Okay, bit of warning. The command line is very powerful. It doesn't hold your hand. You can delete your files, you can delete your system, you can do a lot of damage. That most especially I would need to be very careful of copying and pasting commands you might find on the internet. People oftentimes on forums will put in command line and it could do some serious harm to you. So be very careful to examine what you're copying before you just put it into the command line. Remember, with great power comes ability, and the command line is very powerful. Some words of encouragement. If you're coming from, like a Windows-based system or another graphical user interface, going to the command line can be pretty intimidating. It doesn't have the same kind of helpers. There's not really a lot of tooltip that pop up when you're in the command line. Have like a stay calm, things okay. Get slow and let the concept sink in. You know it. So what is Bash? It's a Unix shell and a command language. It was written by Brian Fox as the alternative to the Bourne Shell. First released in 1989. It's the default shell for Linux, macOS, and BSD. I believe it's even available now for Windows 10. Lucky for those Windows people. So what is a shell? Basically, the command line is type commands, and your commands are going to be structured as some command and argument. Don't worry about what the following code does. Just look at the structure. So you got a command of ls s dash command with argument. Okay, don't worry about what it does. Just kind of think about there's oftentimes a little command with option. All right, so getting started, you'll need to open up a command line terminal. So it will be different than my system. Just open it up. Say hello, get used to it. Okay. Knowing where you are. All right. So type in PWD. Stands for print working directory. So as you're going through the command line, generally always be a working directory in somewhere in your file system. This example here, my working directory is the demo directory that is inside the JSON directory that is then inside the home directory. That's the absolute path where So I'm looking around. So ls, and we said earlier, I said not to worry about it. It's time to worry about it. So that's going to list the files in the directory. So in this demo folder, I've listed the directories. There's a cat movie, music, notes, and pictures. Okay. We know where we are. Look around now. How to move around. So in this next example, we want to move pics directory. Okay. We use the cd command, directory command for this. Okay. So there's two ways to do this. There is a relative path, absolute. So from where we were earlier, we can see our absolute path, where we are right now, is demo, basin. We can also specify things relative to our current position. If we want to go into pics, we can do it by pics, or we can say jumping ahead. So here we go. Change into the directory of pics because it's relative from just pics. You can also move back up one directory with cd dot dot, and that will directory. So here we go. This is where I got ahead of myself. The cd for the absolute path. So here we go. Got home, basin, demo, and then pics. So pics is inside the demo folder we were. Okay, so here is a kind of a full example here. And so here we go. We are changing. Here's the relative directory. There's more cat pictures. All right, we go back up one directory with cd dot dot, and then with directory cd, use the absolute file path. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna make some empty files. You can do this with the touch command. It's just going to create an empty file. There's nothing in it. It's basically just a placeholder. And I see already I've made a typo. Oh, embarrassing. So here we go. We're going to touch sa.txt. So here's our example. We're listing. So it's no .txt. We're going to touch it. It's going to create just a blank file. There's nothing in it. And oh, there it is right there. We're going to make a new directory. Make a new directory, the mkdir, make directory. So we're going to make a directory for dogs. So mkdir dogs. Picture here, there is no dogs folder. We make the directory here. List it again, and look, oh, there's the dogs folder now. Okay, now we're going to go into copying files and directories. cp command will copy files and directories. Here we go. We are going to make a new file called draft.txt. That will do that. When we're copying a directory, we have a extra argument. That is the -r, which tells it to copy that directory recursively. So inside a directory, there could be other directories, other files. That -r and all of those files inside. All those files that are inside of the dogs directory to be copied into the cats directory. So here we go. This is a creation of that with a picture. Okay, so we're going to be talking about moving file directories. So as we want to move files, very much like the mv for move. Same thing. So what we're going to do in this example is move that cat video into the cat folder. Okay, so mv cats pg. Then we're going to once again the relative directory. The relative where we are now is the cats directory. So the cat's movie in the cat's movie in there. All right. Okay, renaming files and directories. You can use the mv or move command to also rename them. If you don't a directory, it's just be renamed where it is now. So you know, we are currently in the demo directory. Move the note.txt file to a file called old note.txt. Not really moving them, it's just really renaming. Okay, now we're going to talk about removing files and directory. Be very, very careful with this. You can delete your entire system, delete important files, and not be undone. Our really important files on forever. Okay, so we are going to just remove one file here, do rm draft.txt. That is going to delete the draft.txt. All right, just like the cp and their command, the mv command, we want to delete directory, delete the pics directory. We need to specify our command directory, the directories inside that directory, and all the files in all of those directories. That can be very dangerous. That was like your root system, a root directory, or if you were to do that, your home directory, you delete every user's files. Showing that you can see files. We're going to move the draft. Now draft is gone. We're see the pics file still here. Pics directory is still there. Remove the pics directory, and list it and on to. All right. So in conclusion, now learn the absolute basics of Bash. There's so much more to learn, but this will get you the very basics. You can open the command line, look around, look at some files, move some files, rename some files. More importantly, it'll get you a little bit used to command line in a way that's not very hyper. It's not editing system files. You're not doing major. Just look around, make yourself a little demo folder, and move some things. Experiment. Get used to that. Go slow. Let the content. And it's very hands-on. I'd say is be a little bit careful about the RM command. You know, you're doing okay, but maybe leave that. So I wish you a lot of luck. The adventure that is Bash. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave the questions in comments below, or if you want me to talk more about different Bash commands or how to do stuff, Bash, leave those in there too, and I look at them and I do all. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more like it, subscribe, and I try to make more of that. So thanks again for watching, and have a good day. Thank you.